Welcome everyone. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation on Photoshop. This is the first slide, so I just want to say hello and thank you for being here. Today, we'll explore the essentials of Photoshop, from basic tools to advanced techniques. We'll cover what you need to know to get started and improve your skills. So, let's dive in and get started with an overview of what's coming up. Let's take a look at the table of contents. This slide gives us an overview of what we'll be covering today. First, we'll start with an introduction to set the stage and explain why this topic matters. Then, we'll move into the key concepts, breaking down the main ideas that will guide us through the presentation. After that, we'll explore some practical applications, showing how these ideas work in real-world scenarios. Next, we'll analyze the challenges and opportunities that come with implementing these strategies. Finally, we'll wrap up with a summary of the main takeaways and discuss the next steps. This structure is designed to help you follow along easily and see how each part connects to the overall theme of the presentation. Hello friends, I'm Bhavishay Nigam. I'm an undergraduate in electronics and communication engineering from India, and I also hold a postgraduate degree in strategic marketing communications from Canada. Over the past 6 years, I've gained extensive experience in digital marketing and content creation, which has really helped me understand how to connect with audiences effectively. My most recent role was with Scola classes in February 2026, where I further honed my skills in educational content and online engagement. These experiences tie into the overall theme of this presentation, which is about leveraging diverse educational and marketing strategies to make a meaningful impact. Let's take a closer look at destruction building. In this context, we're exploring how the process of destruction can actually lead to new beginnings. It's a fascinating concept because, often, destruction is seen as purely negative, but in many cases, it paves the way for innovation and growth. When we talk about destruction in this framework, we're referring to breaking down old structures, whether they're physical, organizational, or conceptual. This breakdown is essential because it clears the way for something better to emerge. Think of it like clearing out clutter to make space for new ideas or improvements. The key point here is that destruction isn't just about losing or ending. It's about making room for renewal. It's a strategic act that, when done thoughtfully, can lead to stronger, more resilient frameworks. Connecting this to our overall theme, remember that growth often involves change and transformation. Sometimes, the most effective way to move forward is to dismantle what no longer serves us. This process, although challenging, is ultimately what drives progress and innovation. Let's take a closer look at the tiger, a truly fascinating creature. Tigers are often seen as symbols of strength and agility, and they play a vital role in their ecosystems. They are the largest of the big cats, renowned for their power and striking appearance. What's really interesting is their ability to adapt to various habitats, from dense forests to grasslands. This adaptability underscores their importance in maintaining the balance of their environment. As we explore different species and their behaviors, it's clear how critical it is to protect these magnificent animals and ensure their survival for future generations. All right, let's talk about the jazz concert. This part of the presentation highlights how jazz music, with its rich history and improvisational style, plays a significant role in cultural expression. When we think about jazz, we're looking at a genre that emerged in the early 20th century and became a powerful voice for innovation and creativity. It's not just about the music itself, but also about the atmosphere, the spontaneity, and the connection between performers and the audience. During a jazz concert, you see musicians collaborating in real time, often improvising melodies on the spot, which makes each performance unique. This reflects the broader theme of artistic freedom and cultural evolution that runs throughout our discussion. So, when we attend or think about jazz concerts, we're witnessing more than just entertainment. We're experiencing a live expression of history, culture, and innovation. It's a perfect example of how the arts can bring people together and inspire new ideas. Autumn, or fall as it's sometimes called, is a season that really captures the essence of change and transition. During this time, We see the leaves turning vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow, which is such a striking visual reminder of nature's cycles. This process, called senescence, is actually the tree's way of preparing for winter by conserving energy. Autumn also marks a period of harvest, when many crops are gathered and stored, symbolizing abundance and gratitude in many cultures. It's a time when the air becomes cooler, and we start to layer up, which influences our daily routines and activities. From a broader perspective, autumn connects to our overall theme of change and adaptation. Just as nature prepares for winter, we too can learn the importance of resilience and readiness for life's transitions. It's a season that encourages us to reflect on what we've achieved and to prepare for what's ahead. Let's now turn our attention to Cyber Monday, which has become a significant event in the online shopping calendar. Cyber Monday typically occurs right after Thanksgiving and is known for offering some of the best online deals of the year. It's a key day for retailers to boost sales and for consumers to snag discounts on a wide range of products. What makes Cyber Monday so interesting is how it complements Black Friday, but focuses entirely on e-commerce, making it especially relevant in today's digital-first shopping environment. Retailers often launch exclusive online promotions that attract millions of shoppers looking for convenience and savings. This day exemplifies the importance of digital marketing strategies and online customer engagement, which are crucial themes we've been discussing. It highlights how retailers adapt to consumer behavior shifts, favoring online over in-store shopping, and how they leverage this event to maximize revenue and brand visibility. Understanding Cyber Monday helps us see the bigger picture of retail trends and consumer preferences in the digital age. Let's talk about the music festival, which is a prime example of how events can bring communities together through shared experiences. This festival highlights the power of live music to foster connection, celebration, and cultural expression. It's not just about the performances, it's about creating an atmosphere where people can immerse themselves in diverse musical styles and enjoy a sense of unity. By hosting such festivals, organizers can promote local talent and attract visitors from outside the area, boosting the local economy and raising the profile of the community. This ties back to our overall theme of community engagement and economic development through cultural events. Ultimately, music festivals like this serve as vibrant platforms that showcase creativity, encourage social interaction, and strengthen community bonds, all of which are essential for a thriving, dynamic society. Let's talk about colorize. This step is all about adding color to your project to make it more vibrant and engaging. Color can really influence how your audience perceives your message, so choosing the right palette is crucial. When we colorize thoughtfully, we not only highlight key elements but also create a mood or emotion that supports your overall theme. Remember, consistency is key. Using a cohesive color scheme helps reinforce your branding and makes your presentation look polished. So, in this phase, focus on selecting colors that align with your message and ensure they work well together to draw attention where it's needed most. Looking ahead, the future of this field is both exciting and full of potential. We can expect ongoing innovations that will further enhance how we approach these challenges. As technology evolves, so too will our strategies, making solutions more efficient and accessible. It's important to remember that these advancements are not just about technical progress, but also about creating a positive impact on society. By staying adaptable and forward-thinking, we can ensure that we're prepared to leverage new opportunities. Ultimately, the future is about continuous improvement and collaboration, building on the foundation we've discussed today to create a better, more sustainable tomorrow. Sky replacement is a powerful tool that allows us to change the sky in a photo or video seamlessly. It's especially useful for enhancing the mood and atmosphere of a scene, making it more visually striking or matching a specific aesthetic. When we talk about sky replacement, the key points to remember are the importance of selecting the right sky that complements the overall composition and ensuring a natural blend with the existing elements. This process can dramatically influence the storytelling aspect of our visuals, helping us convey different times of day, weather conditions, or emotional tones. It's also a technique that connects to the broader theme of creative control, giving us the ability to craft the perfect environment without needing to revisit the original shoot. Ultimately, mastering sky replacement expands our toolkit, empowering us to elevate our visuals and deliver more compelling, polished content. Dear professors and members of the Institute, I want to start by expressing my deepest gratitude to all of you. Throughout my journey here, your guidance, knowledge, and unwavering support have been truly invaluable. I really appreciate how your dedication to teaching and your constant encouragement have played such a vital role in shaping both my academic development and personal growth. Thank you for creating an environment that fosters learning, curiosity, and a pursuit of excellence. The experiences I've gained, the lessons I've learned, and the values I've embraced during my time here will stay with me forever. They will continue to guide me in all my future endeavors. I feel genuinely fortunate to have been part of this wonderful institution. It has made a lasting impact on me, and I am truly grateful for that. With sincere thanks and appreciation, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your time and consideration. I truly appreciate you taking the time to engage with this presentation. I hope the insights and ideas shared today have been helpful and informative. Remember, the key points we discussed, whether it's about the importance of innovation, collaboration, or strategic planning, are all essential to achieving success in our field. I hope this session has sparked new thoughts or approaches that you can take back and apply. Once again, thank you for your attention and interest. I look forward to any questions or discussions you might have.